Southern Delaware, where beaches are just the beginning to a fun getaway. We're a year-round destination with historic seaside and riverside villages, signature golf courses, hiking and biking trails, water sports, premier accommodations, and a Culinary Coast of fantastic chefs and restaurants. Take advantage of tax-free shopping in our outlets, galleries, and antique shops. We now present Southern Delaware.
We're two unique stores in one small town. Antique Alley of Bridgeville is a huge indoor shopping mall for vintage and unique finds. And Downtown Alley, a unique boutique with gifts, home decor, and more. Check us out in Bridgeville.
Your outdoor adventure starts at Delaware State Parks. Our 17 parks offer something for everyone. Stay at our campgrounds, spend time on the water, hit the trails, or explore historic sites. Find your next adventure at destateparks.com.
Looking for a family-friendly event that puts you up close to World War II military aircraft, reenactors, a classic car show, and much more? Wings and Wheels takes place Saturday, October 1st at the Delaware Coastal Airport in Georgetown, Delaware.
The Delaware Botanic Garden features a 2-acre meadow garden with 70,000 perennial flowering plants and grasses. Come stroll our gardens or join a guided tour. We're open Thursdays through Sundays, just 35 miles from the beach in Dagsboro, Delaware.
Brandon from Mispillion River Brewing Company, and we're excited to be part of Fairy Vision. Not that Fairy Vision. We got tasty brews like Space Otter, Not Today Satan, Reach Around, and War Llama. Please enjoy our beer locally or come on down to the brewery.
Get out and discover Southern Delaware's treasures for yourself. Go to visitsoutherndelaware.com for more information on planning your trip and see why beaches are just the beginning to a fun getaway.